Hello, beautiful people! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring some of the most beautiful, attractive, and latest crochet dress designs and ideas for 2026. From elegant and feminine styles to modern and eye-catching designs, this collection is filled with amazing inspiration for anyone who loves crochet fashion. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful collection of crochet dress designs. Let's start with this gorgeous crochet dress. The beautiful patterns and delicate details give this dress a feminine and elegant appearance. Crochet allows you to create so many different textures and designs, making every piece feel special and unique. You can also experiment with different colors, lengths, and stitch patterns to create a dress that perfectly matches your personality and style. Next, we have another stunning crochet dress with beautiful textures and eye-catching details. One of the things that makes crochet fashion so special is the incredible amount of creativity that can go into every design. From floral patterns and decorative motifs to geometric shapes and textured stitches, there are endless ways to make a crochet dress stand out. This next design is perfect for anyone who loves a stylish and sophisticated look. The combination of beautiful crochet patterns and a flattering shape creates an outfit that can easily become a statement piece. Whether you are making a dress for a special occasion or simply want something beautiful and unique to wear, this design is definitely worth considering. Now, take a look at this elegant crochet dress. The soft texture and beautiful craftsmanship give it a romantic and feminine appearance. A design like this can be made even more beautiful by choosing the right yarn color and adding small details around the sleeves, neckline, or edges. And here comes another creative crochet dress idea. As we continue through this collection, you can see just how many different possibilities there are when it comes to crochet dress designs. Whether you prefer simple and elegant styles, colorful and playful designs, or detailed and sophisticated dresses, there is always something new to discover. These latest crochet dress ideas for 2026 are perfect inspiration for anyone looking to create something fashionable, creative, and unique. And there you have it, a beautiful collection of some of the most attractive crochet dress designs and ideas for 2026. Hopefully, these designs have inspired you and given you some new ideas for your next crochet project. Which of these crochet dresses was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this collection, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beautiful crochet fashion designs and ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.